Hello students, my name is Siddharth and I am the faculty of mathematics at Rawal Public School. Today in this video we will be learning about the transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So let's begin with the topic, the transpose of a matrix. The transpose of a matrix is a process by which we can interchange the rows and columns of a matrix. And once we perform this operation, we find a new matrix. That new matrix is called the transposed matrix. So let's begin with one example here. If I say my matrix A is 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 6. This is the matrix A. And I need its transposed matrix. I need to transpose it. Transpose means interchanging the rows and columns. The rows are converted into columns and columns are converted into rows. So the first row here, R1, this will become C1. So my A will be 3, 1, 4. First row became first column. And the second row R2 needs to become my second column 2, 1, 6 like this. Correct? By doing so, if a matrix is not a square matrix, अगर वो square matrix नहीं है, दूसरा कोई भी order हुआ, the order will be changed. The order is not affected in case of a square matrix because the number of rows and the number of columns are same. But here you can see the order was 2 by 3, now the order is 3 by 2. So the order is also changed when we transpose a matrix here, correct? But in case of a square matrix, the order does not change. So this transpose matrix is denoted by AT or it is also denoted by A dash. तो चाहे डैश लगा हो चाहे AT लिखा हो, both stand for the same thing, that the matrix is a transposed matrix, right? Transposing a matrix means converting, interchanging the rows and columns. Rows becomes columns, columns become rows. Now if I talk about the symmetric matrix here, what is a symmetric matrix? Now, the symmetric matrix is that matrix where we find the transposed matrix, but still the transposed matrix is always same to the original matrix. And as I told you earlier that when we transpose the matrices, the order also changes. But the order never changes in case of square matrix only. That means symmetric matrix has to be a square matrix. So what definition I can write in that? The symmetric matrix is a square matrix that remains same. That remains same when transposed. That means matrix A will be equal to AT. The matrix A, original matrix, will be equal to the transposed matrix. Now let's take an example here. If I take the matrix A, first of all it should be square matrix, so I am taking a matrix of order 2 by 2. This matrix, right? 1, 3, 3, 4. This is a matrix here. I am going to transpose it. AT will be what? 1, 3 is the first row. It will become first column. 3, 4 is the second row. It will become second column. Now if you compare these two here, these two are exactly the same. Even after transposing the matrix, the original value is not going to change. These two are same. In that case, A is equal to AT. And this will be called a symmetric matrix. Correct? So this is the order of 2 by 2. a symmetric matrix. Now let's take an example of symmetric matrix of order 3 by 3. Remember, a symmetric matrix has to be a square matrix always. In that case only the order will not change. So now taking a matrix A, like this. This is a matrix A. Now let me transpose it. AT. So the first row 1, 3, 4 will become first column. Second row 3, 5, 6 will become second column. Third row 4, 6, 7 will become third column. Now if you compare these two matrices here, these two are also same. This A is equal to 18 and also the order is also same, 3 by 3 being square matrix. So here A is equal to 18, a symmetric matrix. Right? So this is the example of 3 by 3 order matrix which is a symmetric matrix. Now let's understand the concept of skew symmetric matrix. What is a skew symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric matrix are those matrices where when we transpose the matrix, the original matrix is equal to the negative of the transposed matrix. Means the A will be equal to minus 80. This is the only difference from the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, difference of just a negative sign. If I define it, a skew symmetric matrix is a square matrix which is equal to the negative of original matrix when transposed. That means the matrix AT will be equal to minus of A, like this. Let's take an example of the transposed skew symmetric matrix. If I say the matrix A is this. How we can identify the matrix is a skew symmetric or not? First of all, the diagonal elements must be 0. Second thing, the elements at the one side of diagonal must have the same element at the other side but reversing sign. These are negative here, 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3 are positive. If any one of these is positive, if I say this is positive, then this has to be negative. So how to identify? Diagonal elements must be 0 and opposite sign elements on the both sides of the diagonal. Now let's transpose in AT. AT will be 0, 5, minus 4 will become the first column. 0, 5, minus 4. First column. Minus 5, 0, 3. Second column. Third row. 4, minus 3 and right. Now if I take a common here, minus, out of this matrix I have taken minus common outside, in that case 0, 5, minus 4, minus 5, 0, 3, 4, minus 3 and 0. Now what is this? This is exactly as the given matrix A. You can see minus 5, 0, 3, minus 5, 0, 3, 4, minus 3, 0, 4, minus 3, 0, 0, 5, minus 4. Exactly same, right? So this AT can be now negative of A. If this condition is fulfilled for any given matrix, the matrix will be called a skew symmetric matrix. And in case of symmetric matrix, the AT is equal to A as it is, no change. So this was the concept of transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix and the skew symmetric matrix. I hope this video will be helpful for you for understanding this concept. Thank you so much.